Hey there, visionary entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that will reshape your destiny. Going from $100,000 a month to a jaw-dropping $1 million a month. Breaking that 100K a month barrier, well, that's an achievement that many aspire to reach. But hold off on the champagne because we're setting our sights higher. Picture this, a cool $1 million per month. Yes, you heard me right. So let me ask you something. Is your current strategy and mindset ready for this astronomical leap? If not, it's time to recalibrate. It's time to ignite that inner fire and get emotionally invested in this audacious goal. Remember, this isn't about seeking external validation. It's about fulfilling a grander vision for your life. Now, on this journey, doubt will creep in and you'll question whether the goal and the grind is really worth it. But guess what? Those moments are your cues to reassess and reignite your commitment. Because without a deeper why, you risk getting stuck in the 100K to 500K a month limbo. Oh, and distractions? Well, they'll come dressed as opportunities, trying to divert your focus. Your mission? Keep your eyes fixed firmly on the prize. Prioritize your core revenue generating activities and squeeze every ounce of potential from them. Okay, let me share a real world example. Meet Sarah, an entrepreneur just like you. She was comfortably making $100,000 a month, but she wanted more. Sarah decided to recalibrate. She attended high-level masterminds, invested in personal development, and revamped her business strategies. And in just 18 months, she crossed the $1 million a month mark. And guess what? She never looked back. So visionary entrepreneurs, are you ready to elevate your game and shatter those seemingly unbreakable ceilings? Let's talk about the importance of setting clear goals and maintaining unwavering focus. Start out by outlining a detailed roadmap to your $1 million a month dream, and you want to break it down into achievable milestones. If you need help with that, book a call with my team. Let's see if our systems would be a good fit to help you get to that $1 million a month mark, okay? Now, it's really, really important that we consider financial management, okay? You don't need me to tell you that $1 million a month isn't just about earning. It's about keeping. So diversify your investments, save wisely, and plan for the long term. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint, okay? So now the door to your next level of success is wide open. All you have to do is walk through it. And if you need help and guidance walking through it, right, book a call with my team and let's see if our systems would be a good fit to help you. And don't forget, if you find value in the content that we make here, make sure to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and hit that subscribe button because we're out here always creating valuable content for you visionary entrepreneurs that are ready to turn your dreams into reality. I'll see you guys in the next video.